Okay, let's go to example 2. Example 2 is how do you write slope-intercept form, okay, of the given graph, or if the given is the equation. Okay, so what I mean is the given is the equation, you have to write it in slope-intercept form, and then you have to graph. Okay, this is example 2. Okay, let's explain your turn number 5. When we say slope-intercept form, this is y is equal to mx plus b. So we need to arrange the equation in that form, which means isolating y. So in this form, if we want to isolate y, we subtract 2x both sides. So we apply inverse operation. So we cancel. So y is equal to, let's put the one with the x, negative 2x plus 4. Is this in slope-intercept form now? We have the m, we have the b. So m is what? M is negative 2, and the y-intercept is b. When we have y-intercept form, we have already one ordered pair, that is 0, 4, because we all know if it's y-intercept or b in the equation, so the x is 0. And then how do we use the slope to get the next point? Okay, so when you say negative 2, so we will have what we called rise over run to count the distance vertically and horizontally. So negative 2 over 1 will be our slope. So if there is no denominator, understood the denominator is 1 or the run is 1. Let's plot the first point. The first point is 0, 4. So let's plot it here. Okay, so when we say rise, it doesn't mean that we always go up. We can go down also as long as you're counting the distance vertically. So let's count the distance vertically. How many units? The rise is 2. So we go down 2. So 1, 2. Okay, next, how about the run? The run is 1 unit. Okay, if the slope is negative, the line is rising where? To the left. That is our goal. Because if the slope is positive, our goal is rising to the right. But this is for negative slope. So which means our line should be rising to the left. So if I go down 2, so I will go to the right 1 unit. So here. So this will be my point. Okay? So which means I have 2 points now. If you want to add another one, so you go down again 2, 1, 2, and then 1 more unit. So it's here. So I have 3 points now. So which means this is your line, connect them, and you will have, okay, the graph or the line using this equation. Next. Okay, if we have 2x plus 3y equals 6, so let's write it also in slope-intercept form. So minus 2x both sides again. We isolate the one with the y. So you have 3y equals negative 2x plus 6, okay? But the coefficient should be positive 1, so we divide all by 3. So 3, 3. So which means y is equal to negative 2 over 3x, because you cannot simplify anymore, plus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So which means your slope is negative 2 over 3 and your y-intercept is 2. So we have the first point, which is 0, 2. Let's plot it. So this is 0, 2. So again, the slope is negative, so it's rising to the left. So this is our rise, 2, and this is our run. So we're talking about distance, so ignore the negative first, as long as your line is rising to the left. Okay, so let's have 2 points going down first, 1, 2, and 3 points going to the right, 1, 2, 3. So this is my second point. If you want 2 points going up, 1, 2, but we go to the left 3. 1, 2, 3, because my interval here is by 1 unit. And then connect them, and this will be your line using these two equations. So this is for example 2. That's all.